Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's recent symptoms. He's been experiencing persistent fatigue, weight loss, and night sweats.
Yes, Dr. Mihira, I've noticed those changes as well. He also seems to be having difficulty concentrating.
Given his symptoms, I suspect he might have hyperthyroidism. It's important to confirm this diagnosis with further testing.
What tests would you recommend?
We should order a thyroid function test, including a thyroid-stimulating hormone level and free T3 and T4 measurements. An ultrasound of the thyroid gland might also be helpful.
I'll schedule those tests right away, Dr. Mihira. Should we inform Mr. George about our suspicions?
It's best to wait for the test results before discussing the diagnosis. We want to avoid causing unnecessary anxiety. However, we can reassure him that we're actively investigating his symptoms and will provide updates as soon as possible.
Thank you for telling me about what you're experiencing, Mihira. It sounds like you might be dealing with a bit of an ear infection, which can sometimes happen when you've had a cold. It's understandable that you'd want to feel better quickly. The good news is that often, these kinds of ear infections are quite mild, and our bodies are very good at healing them on their own without needing specific medications like antibiotics. To help manage things comfortably at home, you can certainly use pain relief medications like paracetamol or ibuprofen, which can often take the edge off any discomfort you're feeling. It's also really helpful to keep your ear as dry as possible. So, when you're having a bath or shower, just try to be mindful and prevent water from getting inside your ear canal. Now, this is a really important one: try your best to avoid touching or cleaning inside your ear. Even though it might feel tempting, especially if it's a bit itchy or uncomfortable, poking around in there, even with something soft like a cotton bud, can actually irritate it more and potentially introduce more germs. And finally, giving your body the chance to rest is so important. When you're resting, your body can really focus its energy on healing and getting you back to feeling yourself again. So, try to take it easy and get enough sleep.